guys! How are you? Welcome back to Brown Coder. Here, we don't just talk about Flutter. We explore how the world's biggest companies actually use it to build real, high-performance applications at global scale. From billion-dollar platforms to enterprise dashboards, we break down the architecture, UI decisions, and development strategies behind the tech, so you can learn how to build like the pros. If you're passionate about Flutter, UI engineering, and modern app development, you're in the right place. Let's build smarter. Let's think bigger. Let's go beyond mobile.
The next video topic is Beyond Mobile, how Google Ads uses Flutter on the desktop. Why this topic is a strong next step. Expands your niche, moving your content beyond mobile development, showing Flutter's power for desktop and web, and attracting a broader audience of developers. Demonstrates Flutter's maturity. Highlights that Flutter is a serious choice for enterprise-level tools used by a massive number of businesses, not just consumer-facing apps. Tackles a different challenge. Instead of focusing on mobile UI/UX, this video explores building complex, data-heavy interfaces for larger screens and the performance considerations involved.
So far, we've explored Flutter on mobile, from Google Pay to PUBG Mobile. But Flutter's vision has always been bigger than just phones. Today, we're talking about Google Ads, a powerful enterprise tool used by businesses worldwide, and it's built on Flutter. This shows that Flutter isn't just for consumer apps, it's ready for the desktop, handling complex data, intricate layouts, and high-performance demands. Let's explore how Google uses its own creation to power one of its most important business tools. Developing a desktop application for Google Ads was a different beast than a mobile app. You're dealing with larger screens, complex data tables, and user expectations for a keyboard and mouse experience. The need for a cohesive UI across different desktop operating systems like Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux without sacrificing performance was paramount. A web-based solution could feel sluggish, and separate native apps would be a maintenance nightmare. A consistent, high-performance experience was crucial for users who spend hours a day inside the tool. Don't forget to watch This is Brown Coder. Flutter on the desktop provided Google Ads with a perfect solution. It offered a single codebase for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, just as it does for mobile. But more than that, Flutter's ability to render pixel-perfect UI with hardware acceleration means the app feels snappy and responsive, even with a huge amount of data. It also allows developers to build intricate custom interfaces that go far beyond what a standard toolkit might offer, providing a better user experience for enterprise customers. This is Brown Coder. Let's build a component inspired by the Google Ads dashboard. We'll focus on creating a responsive layout using Flutter's Layout Builder and Grid View. This is essential for a desktop app that needs to adapt to different window sizes. We'll add some mock data widgets representing performance metrics and charts, showing how to handle and display complex information effectively on a larger screen. Google's choice to use Flutter for its internal enterprise tools is a massive vote of confidence. It proves that Flutter is no longer just for side projects or consumer mobile apps. It's ready for prime time on the desktop, handling high-performance, data-intensive, and complex applications. This opens up a huge new world of possibilities for developers. The skills you've built with Flutter on mobile can now be applied to a whole new market, desktop apps. What other enterprise app built with Flutter should we analyze next? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Brown Coder for more deep dives into how big companies use tech, no matter the platform.